Welcome to Ned's Home, your one-stop shop for exterior home services for the past 60 years. At Ned's Home, we offer a comprehensive range of services to ensure your home is maintained stress-free. From gutter cleaning and gutter installation to power washing services to window cleaning and dryer vent cleaning, we are trusted experts in keeping your home clean and free from damage. In select areas, we offer additional services like lawn fertilization, aeration, as well as full-service pest control, including mosquito and tick treatment. We are constantly expanding our residential and commercial service areas because we believe in going the extra mile. Every job we perform is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee, and all jobs are performed by Ned's Home employees, not subcontractors. If you're tired of calling several different providers for all your home exterior needs, then call us today and bring all your home care needs under one roof. Ned's Home. Safety first, quality always.